first evening of the trip. Kamloops Foster Compound. This place is insane. Chris's imagination gets a little carried away sometimes. But yeah, had tons of fun. Got to hit all the jumps, except that damn quarter pipe. We're not touching that one. And see where we're gonna sleep tonight. We're gonna camp somewhere. Do a little bit of speed flying in the morning. Maybe some paramotor flights. And then head to Hope, BC. There's the chief. Oh, such a sick spot. Yeah, meeting up with Caleb and Braden for first jump, little sunset jump. It's windy right now, but planning on it to calm down and get firing. We're here for a few days, so see what kind of fun we can get into. All right, going for a hike. Oh, that is epic looking. Waiting on winds, base jumping. First night might be a dud. It's a little windy. We got about 20 minutes before it's dark. Sunset right now. Wait here for a little bit and see what happens, but never know, might be hiking down. God, hiking down. Yeah. Brought Ozzy up for his first base jump. Hey, buddy. Hey. He's, we're gonna see how he reacts to a human being falling off a cliff. Got Ty getting fired up. He's gonna go first. See what Ozzy does. Guest appearance over there in the bush, Barshad. Did you find some rope over there? Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Going. Look at him. Look. Ozzy. Look at. Look at. Good boy. Just watching. Good boy. Alright. Good boy, buddy. You got treats for him? Good boy, buddy. Bye. Sit. Hey, sit. Had a little bit of a left there. Oh, big fat fucker. Caleb, tell us a little bit about your sponsored wingsuit.
Well,
what are you repping there?
Telstra recently became the 5G LTE leading network in Australia, and with the new Power Edition in the Mid-East, we are getting really good reception. There's no reason why not to switch today.
You've rehearsed that, huh? Beautiful on-heading opening. Now it's my turn. Let's go.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Settle. Oh, hi. 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 Okay. Hey, sit. 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 Stay. Hey, buddy. Stoked, huh? Ty's going for his first speed fly, possibly. How you feeling, buddy?
I feel good.
Feels good. Na, 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 na. I knew that I would.
Your time now?
Yeah. Just spin it one. What's happening here, buddy?
Going for the first real speed flight.
Stoked?
Scared?
Scared? Nothing wrong with that. It's good. Remember that test? Yeah. Lean forward and put yourself in the bucket. Good. Run, run, run. Lean down. Yeah, buddy. Good launch. Yee-oo! You! Babcock coming in for landing. Swoop it! Yeah, dude! Fucking hey! Just drove the truck down. Long drive down. Sucks. Flying down's way better. How's that, buddy? Yeah?
How was your first flight? Third flight?
Yeah, third flight.
First big one.
First big flight. Yeah.
Yeah, how was it?
That was fucking sweet. It's smooth,
You want one now, huh?
fast.
Sorry.